Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to MissThong.com. It's a thong website. You can create your own custom thongs. You can also have a look at our selective designs made by illustrators from all over the world. We hope you enjoy. Really, this is going to be a quick video on how to create and then buy your custom thong. So, from miss-thong.com. The homepage, the custom thong designer is on the right hand side. So just click on the tab on the right. It will then load up into the product designer. So as you can see, we've got the product designer on the on the left hand side. We've also got the quantity and the add to cart on the right hand side. So I mean, really, it's very simple. But we've got a few quick action buttons down here. So if you want to print or maybe even save your design, you can do. And if you save it, you can then maybe load it back into the thong designer at a later date. So if you're unsure about something and you want to maybe check it, speak to a friend, maybe it's for a gift, and you decide that you want to just double check something. You can still create it and then just save it, and you can load it back in and then pay for it at a later date. But we're going to go through the straightforward process of actually just adding a couple of images. So at the moment we've got add your own image from your computer or hard drive. You can also add your own text. You can add photos from Facebook and Instagram, or you can just choose designs that we've got on our server. So depending on what you want to do, we look to sort of add lots more over the coming year. But we're going to start by adding your sort of own photo on your computer. So, but if I just quickly click this sort of, I don't know if it's a creature or a shell of some sort, but I thought it was quite an interesting image. But if I just quickly open this, so the actual pixels and width do actually need to be over 400 by 400. And that's the minimum, and the maximums are 4000 by 4000. So that's what we've set. We feel that images smaller than that don't print very well, so we prefer to have larger images. But no, we're just going to quickly click on a sort of image that we've got here. So if I just use this image of a cat, so I can add this cat image. In our product designer and our colours, you can actually print as many colours as you like, and you don't get charged for that. So it's really just it's a standard price, no matter how many colours you use. Yes, but I mean, even though this cat's only black and white at the moment, but we could also add like text colours and even another background or photo, and it's really up to you on what you want to create and design. But okay, so from here. I mean, you've got your rotation, so you can rotate it 360 degrees. So there we are. You can also scale it. So let's say we wanted to scale it up a little bit. Then you could do that. But these are the basics of the add your own image. And then we've also got your layers. So at the moment we've only got one layer, but if you then click add again, you can also maybe add some text. Put in QT. This will add some text somewhere. If I just find it, maybe it's in black. So yes, as you can see, it's right there, but you can't actually see it. So we'll put that as maybe a purplish or pink. I don't know. Choose your color, and there we are. So that's where it is. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. Okay, go through some settings of the element. So you've got your color. You can opacity. So you can change your text writing just there. And we've also, let's move this down. We've also got you can change your font type. And then what other stuff that we got? We can bold it. You get a italic it, or you could underline it depending on what you like. You can curve the text as well. So if you wanted to create a curve, you could do that. Let's just take that off. And then you've got your radius, so you can change depending on. So you can change how sort of big and small they get, spacings and stuff. So it's very customizable. You've got your scale, so you can make it bigger, smaller. But no, there's your add your own text. Right, okay. So then on top of that, we could also maybe say we don't want the cat anymore, so we decided that year we don't want that image. We want to add an image from Facebook. So you can add images, but obviously we've got the minimum sizes, so hopefully you just select an image that is of your size. So maybe we could add this image, or we could put in this image, or we could have a look at cover photos, and we could click on the polar bear image, which is just at the top. And so really, I mean, you could actually load up as many sort of photos as you wanted in here, and create whatever you'd like. But we're going to stick with this polar bear. And then you can also change the layer options. So if you just click the cutie and you bring that down, that's perfect. And then, yeah. There you are. And really, I mean, if we just go close that and we add another one, I mean, Facebook, Instagram, they're both exactly the same. You just pretty much log in and then you could be able to choose your photos. Or you could choose design from us, which has got a few little photos here. What it does actually adds all the ones that you've added on here, so that's where they will go. So they'll just go underneath, but all our ones that are actually on the server, the two cats, we're looking to definitely put some more in shortly. But yeah, so once you've got your design, you'll then be able to add it to the cart. Quantity 1, add to cart. And there we are. Okay, so yeah, so it's now loaded in. Let's just double check. Okay, so view cart, so that's what we did. Your custom thongs, so that's our custom thongs there. Just double check it's the right one. Yep, it's the polar bear one. Perfect. So really, if I just go through, I mean they're from the UK, so I'll just be able to proceed to checkout. You can add your coupon if you have one there, and fill in your details. Quite simple, shipping details, and then you can select your payment method. So you just click in by PayPal, order review. So just choose your option, then sort of put in your payment details, and then order. And this will be shipped to you within sort of 2 days. That's sort of our dispatch time. Then depending on where you are in the world, normally takes around 5 days. So that's for international shipping. So if you're in America, Australia, 7 days really maximum. Sometimes customs can take a little bit longer, but I mean that's what our provider says it should be within 5 working days. So, but yeah, thank you for watching, and just showed you how simple it was to create